That's a real thing as a young man. He can go out, provide for himself. He doesn't need any money from his parents. And like once your parents get that, it's kind of like this switch in their head. I feel like that could be a little bit different than a scenario of like always trying to make mom happy or dad happy or prove dad wrong, because that's a battle you're not going to win. That's a battle that's going to always be subjective, and it's going to be a lifetime battle. But proving that you can put food on your own table is a very objective thing. I proved it to my parents. I didn't have any money. I just lived in my car. And like that was like, look, I can fucking survive on my own. I'm going to eat at Holiday Inn Expresses. And that's when I was like, I really don't need them in my life. I don't know. It's a good feeling to be free.
For sure. And that ties back to what we were talking about earlier, was when you mentioned when you first became an entrepreneur, that was the first time you really felt like you were free. And I think that's a big thing, is having the mindset where there's nothing else tying you down mentally.
It was the first time my attention was free. I got to choose what I could focus on.